Guys, hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to my channel for those who are new. So I have a semi unboxing. I had already opened it just to take a look. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film this, but I decided to go ahead and do that. I did already inspect it, but I haven't fully opened it up and really, done anything with it. This is called the Light Toe Pocket Crossbody. I got it from I Love Dooney. They were having like a welcome spring or goodbye fall or something like that sale. So I was actually looking online just to see if there was, because there's still a couple of bags that I'm interested in getting in my collection. This is one of them. I saw it on QVC at first, and I thought that Dooney and Bourke would not relaunch this style on their website. I thought it was just a QVC exclusive, but it just so happened they had it on I Love Dooney, and they only had one color. It was just this color, which I have a light taupe and my extra large Courtney sack pebble grain, but this one is Florentine. And she was actually a little bit bigger than what I expected. I thought she was a lot smaller. But this is similar to the Allison. The only reason why I hesitated with the Allison is because I really wanted the front pocket. I am all about outside pockets, y'all. I love bags with outside pockets. Okay, so let's get in here. And I've already inspected her a little bit. Yeah, she's like super smooth. I don't mind if it's textured. Whether if it's a little or a lot, I don't mind it at all. But she is really smooth actually. So I'm really happy about that. Either way, it doesn't matter. The only thing I don't like about this, and I think the Allison is the same way, is that it doesn't have a detachable strap. And that's fine. I figured because I love this style so much, I was going to get it anyway. So this is why I purchased this bag. It's because of this front pocket. It's a pretty big pocket, so I can fit my phone. As a matter of fact, let me get my phone now. Alright, so I have the iPhone 6S. So, I mean, it's not an extremely big phone. I know that the iPhone 13 is much bigger than this. But yeah. It slips right in there, no problem. And it's got a magnetic button type of deal. And what I also love about this bag is it's like the Allison. It also has a zip pocket on the outside. Now this one's a little bit tighter, which is the reason why I didn't really care for the Allison, because it only has one of the zip pockets. It doesn't have this front pocket right here, which I really wanted. And it has the tassel with the green suede on it. It has its dust bag. It has its key keeper. And that's a pretty significant key keeper. When it's like really short, I don't know. I don't like those. It's got the standard Dooney setup, the zip pocket. And it's got the slip pocket underneath it. And then it's got one slip pocket on the other side. Alright, so let's take a look at these straps. Oh, I really like it a lot. It's pretty. That's nice. Does it have a shoulder bag option? It might actually have a shoulder bag option. Let me see. Okay, it does. Cool beans. Okay, well that's good. It has a shoulder bag option. I like that. There wasn't really a whole lot of current reviews because it's been in the Dooney and Bourke inventory for a long while now. As far as it being available directly from Dooney and Bourke, I haven't seen it. The secondhand market does have a few of these on sale. Only thing I don't like about the bag is that the straps is a different color than the actual bag. They only colored it on one side instead of doing it on both sides, so I don't really care for that part. So I really wanted this in the natural color, but I have so many natural bags now. When I originally considered this in the natural, I didn't have that many natural. So because I have so many in the natural, I decided to go ahead and get this in this color. I mean, since this is the only color they had anyway, not like I had a choice, but again, I wasn't going to pay the amount that QVC wants for this bag. And I think the reason why is because it's so popular on QVC. Like, there's a ton of people that have purchased it and also put comments that it's a great bag and everything. So I think that's the reason why they've gone up in price, because of course the more people that want it, the more they can charge for it. And if people are willing to pay for it, then of course they're not going to back down in the price. I think at one point during the holidays they had $50 off of the regular price, but that's not enough for me as far as a discount. I usually like to get my bags like 50 or 75% off. So for the price that I paid for this, I am extremely happy. I got a really great deal, and she was super cute. So that's a plus too. Oh, I really like it a lot. And then it has the braided zipper pull. Oh, it's super cute. Let me see if I could fit my phone in here. That's a pretty strong magnet, that's for sure. Okay. Okay. I mean, it can fit a 6S. I don't know if it could fit like a 13, an iPhone 13. I'm not sure. It's a pretty deep pocket. It's about like right here is where the pocket ends. I really like the red lining. Yeah, this is really pretty. I really like it a lot. And it's got the stitching with the brown Timoro. Really pretty. I am so happy with this purchase, y'all. Love it. Oh, let me see. Will it fit my... I'm wondering if it'll fit my Mr. Darcy personal size. Let me see. This might be too small of a purse. Let me see. Yep. It'll fit, but it takes a lot of maneuvering in there. So when I go into this bag, I probably will have to change into my pocket size. So I'll have to change to my pocket size. And that, yeah, he definitely fits. No problem. And I even have room to spare right there. So, yep, I'm really happy with this purchase, y'all. I waited a really long time, close to a year, for this baby. Oh, she's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I just noticed that there's like a pleating right here with the stitching decor. That's nice. I like that. I never even noticed that. I don't know if the Allison has that. I'm not sure. But, I mean, it's pretty much the Allison, except it has this extra front pocket, which is why I got her to begin with. Oh, I love it. Well, I want to thank you for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for all the recent subs, and also, of course, the subs that have been with me for quite some time. Really, really appreciate y'all. And of course, as usual, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Take care.